So if you ever have the good fortune of having your own personal hot tub and your own trashy hotel room, I say go for it and get in the hot tub. We got mirrors on the wall. It's got a smell, like a musty smell about it. I'm probably getting like 3 skin diseases by sitting in here, but that's part of the experience. And there's a good chance when we get to Oshkosh, hopefully tomorrow, that our campsite might be just the same as this hot tub, as this pool of water, because it's totally flooded there. The campsites are currently closed. They're not letting anyone in. So we just gotta wait in the morning to see what they have to say, if they're gonna let people come in and land. So it's a waiting game at this point. It's part of the experience. We're making it up as we go.
All right, so it's a Saturday afternoon. We've been waiting at the FBO here in, where are we?
We're in
La Crosse, Wisconsin, all day because the fly-in camping has been closed because the grass has been so wet. But literally we got a text message about 10 minutes ago that they've opened it up. So we're gonna hightail it over there. Probably there's about 2,000 of our best friends flying around there, so it's gonna be interesting for sure. Check this out though, this is really cool. Here's our plane, 244 Echo Romeo, and parked right next to us is Dick Rutan. We actually met him, he was inside the FBO. Got to talk to him, really nice guy. That's kind of a cool Oshkosh story. Clear.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, La Crosse Tower, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Hey, let's do this, buddy. Boom. All right, guys, so it's actually happening. After waiting here all day, waiting for the all-go signal, Oshkosh is open to general aviation camping. It's gonna take us about 45 minutes to get there. I expect it to be kind of nuts, but the rationale was it's gonna be nuts tomorrow morning, it's gonna be nuts for a couple days to come while everyone kind of still comes in, so might as well try and get in now. Got a little kind of butterflies in my stomach, because A, we're going to Oshkosh, but B, just this whole, gonna be really busy, really crowded, and then on top of that, we've got the wet grass. That's gonna be another interesting thing when we get there, so.
I hope getting wet a little bit is the biggest problem we have.
I think the biggest problem we have is colliding with an aircraft.
The Fisk Arrival is the primary approach that airplanes are required to fly when coming to Oshkosh. It begins at the small town of Ripon. At that point, everyone should be flying at 1,800 feet and 90 knots. At Ripon, airplanes should line up single file and follow the train tracks northeast towards the town of Fisk, at which point ATC will direct you towards usually either runway 27 or 36. Because of the large amount of traffic converging upon Ripon, planes are often instructed to fly single file in a hold around Green Lake, located just southwest of Ripon, until ATC further advises to proceed onwards towards Ripon. After 2 days of weather delays, as soon as the airport opened up again, a swarm of airplanes began to converge upon Ripon. And we were heading right for it.
Nuts.
RV, continue up the tracks, continue in a right downwind for runway 27 and stay inside the gravel pit. Maintain 1,800 feet till the downwind.
Must be a great show for people around.
For runway 27, towers 118.5. As you pass this for runway 36, towers 126.6.
39er, slow down.
Got a high wing Cessna with tip lights, rock your wings. Got a flight of 2 VTOLs, looks like you're offset into the west. I need you to stay over the tracks. If it's not going to work for you, then just go ahead and turn left. Looks like you're already breaking out. Thanks for doing that. Got a high wing Cessna, about a mile southwest of Fisk, actually directly over Fisk now. Rock your wings. Thank you. Nice rocket. Take a right turn And actually, I think the second one took that, so I need the one that is just directly over Fisk only. If you're not directly over Fisk, I'm not talking to you yet. The one that's directly over Fisk, turn right heading 090 and our left base runway 36.
Guys, 400 feet above us.
Cherokee, about a half mile south of Fisk, rock your wings. I see the second Cessna is taking that turn. That wasn't for you. The second Cessna that got to come back in, overfly the tracks. The Cherokee now directly over Fisk, continuing northeastbound over the railroad tracks and our right downwind for runway 27, stay inside the gravel pit. If you're eastbound for runway 36, the tower frequency will be 126.6. If you are northeastbound over the tracks for runway 27, the tower frequency will be 18.5. High wing directly over Fisk, rock your wings.
We'll get a look at Ripon when we get over here.
Continue northeastbound over the tracks and our right downwind for runway 27, stay inside the gravel pit, please. Red tail Cessna, rock your wings over Fisk. Thank you. Turn right heading 090 for the red tail Cessna and our left base runway 36.
I think we're going straight to Ripon, aren't we?
Got a flight of 2 RVs up high. Are you flight?
Yeah, we're going to Ripon.
A-Barm, 2 RVs.
All right, follow
Thank
me.
you. Saw the smoke. Appreciate that. Flight of 2 RVs.
Yeah, slow down.
Need you to turn right, eastbound, slow down, come down, maintain 1,800 feet, and our left base runway 36. And the flight
Yeah,
RVs
there's
that
the
got
water
to slow
tower
down,
to
it's
Ripon.
not going to work.
Okay, get the spacing right. I think you're
Rock your
close.
wings over Fisk. Thank you. The blue tail Cessna continue continue up the train tracks and our right downwind for runway 27. There's a high RV that's up high, rock your wings. Yellow high wing with the
Alright, so
left
this is Fisk here. Let's look for the railroad track.
There's the grain silos.
You make a right turn heading 090. You're going to enter left base for runway 36.
Slow down.
Got a Mooney, rock your wings right over Fisk. Thank you. Continue. Slow down, drop your gear. Mooney, go ahead and make a right turn heading 090, follow Fisk Avenue and our left base for runway 36. Flight of 2 aircraft, rock your wings over Fisk. Got a low wing over Fisk, rock your wings. Is it a Cirrus maybe? Thank you. I see the rock. That's the plane I'm talking to in a right turn. No, I'm sorry. Go keep going, follow the train tracks. In our right downwind for runway 27.
Okay, see that tree line?
That's the train track.
I believe so.
Flight of 2 that's turning, I need you to turn left, rejoin the train tracks. The flight of 2 Bonanzas, you need to turn left. You need to rejoin the tracks, you're heading a right downwind for runway 27.
Oh, look at that plane above us.
The Moonies, watch for that flight of 2, they're turning back, you're behind them, you're following them. RV at 2300, I need you to turn right, start descending. Thank you, RV at 2300, you're following that traffic ahead of you, need to slow down
There's
and
a guy
start your
trying to
descent.
slide in on our right here. Well, I'll keep an eye
Just
on
a half
him.
mile southwest of Fisk, rock your wings.
As long as he goes
Behind
Half mile
us.
from Fisk, rock your wings.
He's trying to get behind us.
The RV from half mile from Fisk, start a right turn heading 090.
He's trying to, I don't know what he's trying to do.
Oh, just watch him.
I see you guys breaking out. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I got a high wing directly over Fisk. Rock your wings. Thank you. Nice rock. Continue northeastbound over the tracks on our right downwind, runway 27, stay inside the gravel pit.
Okay, they're
RV that
landing
is directly
27
over Fisk.
they're
I need you to
landing
turn
27
right.
as well right
RV
now.
directly over Fisk. Turn right. Thank you. And our left base for runway 36. Behind him a Bonanza. Continue northeastbound up the tracks. In our right downwind for runway 27, stay inside the gravel pit. Behind him I've got a high wing. Looks like a Cessna maybe. Rock your wings. Thank you. Good rock. Turn right heading 090 and our left base for runway 36. Behind him, I've got a low wing and a side by side. I have a twin. The twin, I need you to turn left. It's not going to work. Turn left. Got a blue nose RV right behind him to the right. Rock your wings.
What was that all about?
Thank you. Turn right, heading 090 and our left base for runway 36. Behind him is a Cirrus. Cirrus, go ahead and turn left. It's not going to work. Turn left, go westbound, and rejoin procedure. Got a low wing up really high.
Cherokee directly over Fisk, turn right heading 090 for left base runway 36. Cherokee, low wing, directly over Fisk, that's Grumman. Grumman, turn right 090.
Grumman.
Low wing directly over Fisk.
Turn right.
Turn right heading 090 for left base runway 36. High wing, half mile southwest of Fisk, rocket wing.
We're still 6 miles
Eastbound,
from Fisk.
Okay. Good to know. Yeah, thank you for that.
Fisk on the railroad
Kinda hard to
track,
tell.
directly over 27.
Westbound.
118.5, tail dragger, continue westbound. The Cessna directly over Fisk, continue up railroad tracks for downwind runway 27.
64 Sierra Delta, speed up.
All aircraft inbound, you need a good mile in trail. If you're side by side, it's not going to work. If you're over and under, it's not going to work. If you're slower than 90 knots, help yourself out and break it out. If you're slower than 90 knots, try to pick it up as best you can. Is that a flight of 2 RVs then at Fisk?
Yeah, flight of 2.
You gonna call my base?
My flight of 2 RVs are high. Make the right turn 090 for the left base, runway 36. Flight of 2 RVs. The Cherokee directly over Fisk. Continue up the railroad tracks.
Give me an update on how far we are from Fisk.
That's a Comanche directly over Fisk. Continue up the railroad track.
Up the railroad track. 4.5 miles.
Second Comanche, continue directly over Fisk. Turn right. High wing, Cessna directly over Fisk. Turn right 090. You're following the RVs. Canard, I need you turn left. The Canard, I got 2 Canards up high. Turn left heading 270. Make that 3 Canards. My 3 Canards coming up on Fisk. Turn left 270. We're going to have to bring you back around. I've got a twin at 2300 rocket wing. Turn right.
He's slotting in. Are you serious?
Runway 36. I got another low wing or high wing directly over Fisk. Cessna over Fisk. Tail dragger, rocket wing.
Right.
Good job. Continue up the tracks for runway 27 into your downwind inside the ground. Okay. I've got an RV for runway 36. RV over Fisk. Turn right now for 36. I've got a low wing and a high wing approaching Fisk. Are you a flight?
Nope. Those guys.
Negative. Okay, the high wing, I want you to turn left, heading 270, rejoin. The low wing, turn right. The low wing, turn right, and directly over Fisk. The low wing is directly over Fisk, turn right, there you go.
That's going to be us.
The high wing, that's over Fisk with the left wing, you're fine. It's the tail dragger, continue straight up. Continue straight up the track,
almost.
You're doing fine.
We're good, just listen for the next call.
Another low wing, half mile south of Fisk, rock your wings.
Is this rock?
All aircraft that are inside of Fisk.
Are we over Fisk? Coordinated, yes.
27, monitor tower on 18.5. If you're going to runway 36, monitor tower 126.3.
They're right to your left here. This guy didn't break off.
Fisk, start that right turn at our left base for runway 36.
That's us.
Good job. Keep that right turn going. Good job. Good job.
All right, dude.
Low wing over Fisk. Rock your wings.
Did he say to...
Good job. Continue on track for runway 27. Enter your...
Yeah, we need to inbound. Okay.
You on the Fisk Avenue arrival?
Where you at, the 1-6?
You got
a 36 right, keep your speed up all the way to the end, please. Follow flagman.
Sure, thinking.
On 36 left, short final, powered up down to the yellow spot, clear to land.
Left base, 36 right, turn into Delta.
The P-51, turn it in, runway 36 left, cleared to land for the P-51. You can shorten that up,
see what
please.
dot he gives us.
Twin Cessna over the interstate, start your descent, runway, are you the one that wants 36 right?
Twin Cessna 36 right to turn into Basler at Delta. Basler turn right, so taxiway.
Roger that. You're going to pass behind a Mustang that's currently inbound on the right overhead. Pass behind that Mustang, turn base now. Mustang, turn base now. Twin Cessna, you're going to follow that Mustang once you have him in sight, or actually you're pass behind him and then 36 right. And right there on 36 left, rolling out, turn there, perfect.
Mustang, the Twin Cessna is going to pass behind you, so Mustang, turn it in, runway 36 left, clear to land.
Twin Cessna is going to have to do a right 270.
Cessna over the interstate, you're following the Mustang that's turning right base, runway 36 left. Runway 36 left, yellow dot, clear to land.
Clear to land at 26. 40 looks pretty empty.
Blue Cessna. An RV behind the Cessna, you're going to be running 36 right, running 36 right, clear to land, be red square.
36 right, red square, RV.
So we make that turn tight, turn out all the way back around, please.
Okay, he's getting the twin here. So
great job, Mustang, all the way to the end. Keep your speed up, traffic behind you.
There's the twin.
Welcome to the show.
Is that a twin in front of me? No, it's a twin over there.
Runway tail low wing, running 36 left, yellow dot, clear to land.
Clear to land, yellow dot. Was that for me?
Blue and white Cessna, want you on 36 left. Blue and white Cessna.
It's got an RV. Just a second, I'm going to get this. RV, have you got the, are you on the skinny runway, RV?
That's right, 36 right, red dot. Which runway for the white and blue Grumman?
I want the RVs or the Grumman, maybe it is, on the short final, 36 right, red square, clear to land.
Red square, red square to land.
And the Grumman, I want the Grumman on runway 36 left, go to the yellow spot, please. Short final over 36 left, go to the yellow spot, clear to land. And the Cessna,
okay,
the high wing Cessna there type. Can you make it
yellow, third,
36
second dot? See it?
Just keep it airborne.
Second
Don't descend any more there, highway tail trigger. Just keep it airborne.
You're groovy, baby.
On 36 right, clear to land, and go all the way to the end, please. Twin exit to the right when you can.
Turn in right on Delta, Twin Cessna on 36 right. Love that left lane.
Okay, the Cessna touching down 36 left, that's perfect. 36 left, clear to land.
But he's going yellow spot, that's where you're going. Oh, he hit the spot.
Okay, just touch down the white RV. I need you to keep your speed up all the way down to the end there. The second RV, put it down now, please. Real short there, and then taxi all the way to the end. The first RV, just keep your speed up all the way to the end, please. If you can, pick up that taxi speed.
We'll go.
Cherokee on 36 left, clear to land at the yellow spot, then exit the left as soon as you can.
Base to final, running 36 left, I believe, RV, correction, experimental, running 36 left, yellow dot, clear to land. The Skyhawk turning base to final. You're going to be out right runway, running 36 right, and red dot, red square, clear to land. And motor glider, move over to the right. Move over to the right. Change to runway 36 right, 36 right, red square, clear to land.
You did it.
Well, it was a little stressful at times, but we made it. After landing, we got marshaled over to the North 40 campground. Surprisingly, the grass where we were directed to was in great condition, and now all that was left was to set up camp and enjoy the next few days at Oshkosh.